The new Actros, a leap into a new dimension, brings with it a new generation of instrument cluster. The driver can see all the menus in the 12.7-inch TFT display. A new feature is the top bar with icons. First chapter in the menu trip data is truck info. This can be seen with the title and the dot on the left, which moves down according to the chapter. It's still operated using the buttons on the multifunction steering wheel. Under trip data, you'll find all relevant information about trips and days up to the possible range. In driving mode, you'll find the speed indicator, driving statistics, navigation settings, and information on the assistance systems. Audio and communication gives you all options for phone and audio settings. Operation and maintenance displays the axle loads, electronically checks the tire pressure, which includes the level control, displays data about the trailer and maintenance intervals. The next menu, Monitoring Information, shows you the reservoir pressure, engine data, coolant, battery information and diagnostic data. The Settings menu provides the driver with personal settings, such as the instrument lighting or the language. The new structure and easy operation will make the driver's everyday work easier.